Hello, this is Trevor. Today we're working on business logic vulnerability in PortSwigger's Web Security Academy. It is weak isolation on dual use endpoint. So the lab makes a flawed assumption about the user's privilege based on their input. We can exploit that to gain access to arbitrary user's account. We need to access the administrator account and delete Carlos. We have our own credentials. Sweet. Let's check it out. Please remember to like and subscribe. Leave a comment. Let me know how I'm doing. Appreciate that. All right. Let's check it out. All right. Let's start by logging in and seeing what dual use isolation. All right. So we want Wiener Peter. Username, current password, new password, confirm password. Interesting. So this, it's got to be this, right? It said, something is flawed assumption about the user's privilege level based on their input. Let's change, let's use this. Where are we here? Current password, Peter. New password, A. We need to get access to the admin account. Let's see what that did. So we logged in, posted the login, Wiener Peter, got my account, change password, login form, change password, post. So here's the current password. Here's the username. Let's send this to repeater, and let's, we are logged in, right? Yep. Let's try changing arbitrary users count. Access the administrator account. So administrator. Your username. Do we have a link to? No. Your username is administrator. Interesting. So what does that actually do? Nothing. A. Current password. It's not going to work, right? If we just try to go to admin. So let's access administrator account and delete Carlos. Dual use. Current password, new password. So what if we do this? Wiener, or no, administrator. Current password is A, B. Current password is incorrect. But that is correct, right? It's not it's not administrators. But it is our user. So our user is not tied to the session. It's tied to whatever's here. Weak isolation on dual use endpoint. So I'm assuming this is the endpoint that's dual use. And what are the two uses? One, to change. I don't like that I don't have a clue. I want to have a clue. All right. Let's start looking through here. Log in. What's the second use? This is the get my account. So this is the email. Change email form and change password. It's not the same endpoint. Change password. Crap. That's another one that I don't know what to do. Man. I'm logged in as Wiener. I'm going to try updating the username to blah@blah.com. Email is now that. Username. So what do we know? We know that this form, not this one, this form relies on the username field and not the session. But we can't do anything because this is preventing us. What if that one wasn't there? But all right, so then let's see if that worked. Oh my gosh. Administrator B. That's freaking awesome. All right, so we just removed that one thing, that one parameter. All right, what we need to do is log in. So let's write down the steps. Kate, new file, 1, log in. 2, we need to submit change password. 3, log out or log in as administrator. 5, delete Carlos. I think that was the delete Carlos. Okay. Sweet. Let's start writing this. Python create utils create utils/create script this vim week iso. All right, log in. We know how to do that. Blog.login Wiener Peter. I probably need to wait until the site refreshes so that the default credentials are there. And then we need to submit this. So that's blog, if blog.no proxy requests.post. We're going to do that to blog.base base URL plus my account change password. This we need cookies equals cookies, data equals data, right? We don't need the response. Cookies equals that. Oh, do we need a CSRF? We do, damn it. So this is going to be resp. And then we will do CSRF equals blog.extract CSRF from resp.text. Okay. Now we need data equals boom CSRF username administrator, new password 1, new password -1. Let's just do A. Why not? And then new password 2. And it is new dash password dash. Okay. That looks good. Else. Proxies equals utils.proxies. And verify equals false. Do we want to see the response? Yeah, let's check if this is in there. I gotta remember to do that key. I never do it. Equals this. So like here, if I press 0, which I always do, it goes to the there. If I hit the caret, it goes to that, to the first character, which is normally what I want. Sorry, sidetrack. All right. So we've got the response if that in resp.text. We're going to do log.info password successfully changed. Changed successfully changed, whatever. All right. Should we else it and quit? Yeah, might as well. Else sys.exit -1 log.error could not change password. All right, now we need to log out. Do I have a log out in site? Maybe log out. I don't think so. That's okay. Let's see how we do that proxy. I guess I haven't done it yet. My account. Come on. Log out. Looks like it's just a get to. Yep. Let's put that in blog. Might as well, right? Site log out. Just double check. So let's add a def log out. I need the cookies. Self cookies. Because I want to. Is that important? No, it's not important. The heck are you thinking? We don't need to log out because we don't care about that session. We can leave it open. All we care about is now logging in as blog.login as administrator and a resp cookies equals that. And then delete Carlos, which we did in the last video. This one. delete Carlos. Shop is solved. Should I make delete Carlos like a utils? Blog. We seem to be doing it quite a bit. We want or in the site. Why not? Why not put it in site? We're going to do change this to self. Self equals change word self here, 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 and here. Okay, now we're going to do log.info attempting to delete Carlos. And then if we get a, we're not going to log that. Get response. We'll do resp equals if resp.status code equals 200 log.info successfully deleted Carlos. All right, sweet. Now we can go here and do blog.delete Carlos and just give it the cookies for the admin account and check if it's solved. All right, this should not work. We can run it to make sure there's no errors, but we're not going to be able to log in because Wiener's account no longer has Peter as the password. But it looks like it ran without errors, so we'll just have to wait 15 minutes. Oh, suck. What is this crap? I don't want create script. I want to run this. There we go. Received an unexpected status code of 200. And that's because post login did not work. Invalid username or password. All right, so I'm going to hang out for 15 minutes and I'll come back as soon as it's been reset. All right, see you in a few minutes. Okay, so it's been over 15 minutes. Let's make sure this is no longer alive. It is not. And let's see if we can solve this finally. As long as this doesn't take forever. Come on. There we go. All right. And we're going to do Python week. We don't need the debug, so we'll run this. Make sure we get a solve. Successfully logged in. Yeah, sweet. All right, there we go. So yeah, in this lab, we took advantage of that one field. The current password wasn't required, and the username was used from the form and not the session. So we were able to change the password of the administrator user and then log in as that user to delete Carlos. Sweet. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, I'll see you in the next one. Thanks so much. Goodbye.